Hi everyone, this is Lindsay from Heritage Cookbook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite contributors to contribute to your cookbook and what contributors who have received an invitation to contribute can expect. So if you're the person who's creating the book, I'm just in a demo account here, you'll want to make sure before you start inviting contributors that you have your book started and that you've created the sections that you're going to be working with. And this means that when the contributors log in, they're able to more easily find which section or chapter they'll want to put their recipe into. So to invite contributors, you'll go to your Contributors tab in the dashboard, click Add Contributor, and you'll put the name of the contributor, their email address. I've just made this one up for this video. And then you can put in your message. Basically, whatever message feels appropriate for the contributor, you'll put in here, and then we'll hit send. So now this contributor is added here. So if you're the contributor, this is what you'll see on your end. So this is Mary Smith's inbox, and you'll receive two emails. One says, Lindsay has invited you to contribute to their cookbook, and it'll also ask you to verify your account because technically you will create an account in order to contribute to the book. After you've done contributing, you can delete your account, no problem. So let's just look at this first email. So invitation to contribute, and it will provide a temporary password that you can log in with. So copy this temporary password and click Start Contributing. So we'll enter our email address and we'll enter that temporary password. So I'm going to copy and paste it and click Log In. So now I've logged in. Then I'm going to go back into my inbox and I'm going to click on the Verify email just so that the account has been verified properly. So we'll click Verification. Great. So now you're verified. You've created your account, and within your account, you'll see no books under My Cookbooks, and that's because you've just created your account, but you will see the cookbook that you've been asked to contribute to under Books I am contributing to. So just click on the book, and it'll bring you to this page. As a contributor, you cannot edit the book, as in you can't change what the design is, you can't change the name of the sections or the order of the sections, you can't delete other recipes, but what you can do is add your recipe. So what you need to do is on the left-hand side here, click Recipes, and then you'll select which section seems most appropriate to add your recipe to. So let's click on Baking. And then at the bottom of that page, you'll click Add New Page. And then a recipe page will pop up here, and you'll just type your recipe directly onto the page. You can choose to fill in all of these text boxes or just some of them. And then you'll type your ingredients here. You'll type the method here. If you have a little note that you want to add, you can type it here. If you want, you can change the format of it. If you wanted to have a recipe with a photo, you can change the page layout to recipe with photo, and then that'll have space to upload a photo. To do that, you'll just click on the right-hand side, and then that'll allow you to upload a photo from your computer, or you could choose to upload a photo from our library. So that is how, as a book creator, you can invite contributors to contribute to your book. And if you've been invited, that's how to create your account and contribute to the book directly.